So what do I have in this black box here? It's made in China. And it is a 5x7 LED headlight black. What I don't understand is I didn't think I was getting LED headlights, but I guess so. The rating on Amazon was like 5 stars. Things are kind of expensive, but what they are is your H6054s, I believe. That's what the number is. And let me see, does this have it up or down? I take it, since I can read DOTSAE right there, that is up. And it has your standard hookups here. It does have a nice finned back here. It is in Amazon. I'll put the description down at the bottom when I get a chance. I'm not sure how much of a chance I will have to do that, but I am also going to put this in the description, or I'm also going to put this in the Jeep that I have. I have an XJ Jeep that the lights are horrible in. And I was under the impression that this thing was a halogen, but I'm not sure now. So anyway, that's it. I'm just going to take one out of the box because they're both the same. And I'm just going to let you also focus on this little label that they sent with. They printed it out on a label. They did send a jumper harness, and they got that explanation in there. And this is, well, you decide. I'll leave this sit here for a little bit and let you read this. Hopefully I am steady enough so that it doesn't drive you crazy. I guess you can hit the pause button too if you wish. But my next video I'll have probably a part 2 and a part 3 to it. Part 2 will have show my old headlights. I think I'm going to use my spruce trees as a backdrop. Also, I'll drive down the road so you can see what I'll get my windshield cleaned, see what I am seeing, hopefully. And then I'm going to put these in and go back and do the same test with them to see. Now, if they're anything like the LED headlights that another person had reviewed, I don't think I'm going to like these, but I don't think that one had these projector beam bulbs in, so it'd be interesting to see what happens. And I'm kind of curious about what these smaller ones over here on the side are for. It looks kind of cool. They try to pass themselves off as Osram, O-S-R-A-M, I believe that is the brand, but there is nothing mentioned about Osram on the packaging or anything, just on the description, and that's it. And so I'm very, very, very disappointed that there isn't anything on here about Osram. In fact, I'm wondering if they sent these wrong, but I'm going to double check numbers and everything and go from there. These things are not cheap, although they are some of the least expensive ones that are on there. But then again, I didn't think I was getting LED. So there you go. Nice looking. It'll be interesting to see how they perform. Maybe I'll be surprised. Maybe I will be sending them back. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.